Hello everyone and welcome to our Become Beauty Expert YouTube channel. Today in this video we are going to talk about how to become a HydraFacial Skin Treatment expert. But first let's talk about sponsorship. This video is sponsored by International Beauty Expert IBE. If you are looking for career in beauty and wellness industry, then International Beauty Expert will help to build you one. Benefits that IBE will provide are: first, if you run an academy, then you can get accreditation from IBE so that you will be able to give international certification to your students. Second, if you run a salon, makeup studio, nail studio, lash studio or spa center, then you can give IBE certification to your staff. Your staff will be internationally certified and your business will grow a lot. Third, if you have done a course in beauty, makeup, hair, nail, nutrition and dietitian etc. from any Indian academy, then you can take IBE certification. This will make your profile strong. This certificate will help you a lot to grow your career. Fourth, if you want to do job in beauty, makeup, hair, nail, nutrition and dietitian in foreign country, then you can do an international course from IBE. This course will help you a lot in getting a placement in foreign country. Now back to the topic we were discussing earlier. Becoming a HydraFacial Skin Treatment expert involves a combination of education, training and hands-on experience to master this popular and effective skincare procedure. The beauty and skincare industry continually evolve with innovative treatments and techniques emerging to meet the demands of individuals seeking flawless, radiant skin. The HydraFacial Skin Treatment has gained significant popularity for its ability to cleanse, exfoliate, hydrate, and rejuvenate the skin. Becoming a HydraFacial Skin Treatment expert is not only a promising career choice, but also an opportunity to help clients and achieve healthier, more radiant skin. In this introduction, we will explore the steps in the journey of becoming a HydraFacial expert. First, understanding the appeal of HydraFacial. Before diving into the process of becoming an expert in HydraFacial treatments, it's essential to understand why this treatment has garnered such acclaim. The HydraFacial offers a non-invasive, multi-step procedure that addresses various skin concerns, from fine lines and wrinkles to uneven skin tones and clogged pores. This innovative treatment is suitable for a wide range of skin types and ages, making it a sought-after choice for those seeking immediate and noticeable improvements in their skin appearance. Second, educational foundation. Whether the qualification is more or less, qualification is not so important in this field. But if you do this course after a bachelor's degree in a related field like biology, chemistry or aesthetics, can provide a solid foundation for understanding skincare and its specific aspects. In this course, students are also taught how to deal with clients. Third, join a reputed academy. Look for a reputed cosmetology or aesthetics program that offers comprehensive training in skincare and facial treatments. Ensure the program covers the basic of facial techniques and skincare. Good academies have highly professional trainers who train you in a highly professional manner, and certification from a professional academy is also given more value in the market. This is a such course. After taking its training, you will never face any shortage of jobs. So now let us here tell you about the top 3 HydraFacial academies of Delhi NCR from where you can do the HydraFacial Skin Treatment course. First is Meri Bindi International Academy. Meri Bindi International Academy is one of the best beauty academies in India. Meri Bindi International Academy was started by engineer Mahi ma'am after leaving her job worth lakhs of rupees. Their aim is to provide high quality beauty training to the youth. Therefore, there is no compromise with the training quality at Meri Bindiya International Academy. This academy is the best beauty academy in India to make a career in the beauty and makeup industry. This academy has been awarded the Best Beauty School Award in India by many national and international organizations. Also, Meri Bindiya International Academy has been awarded the Best Beauty School Award from IBE, that is International Beauty Expert. This academy has 2 branches, one located near Noida Sector 18 Metro Station and the other in Rajouri Garden Metro Station in Delhi. Artists from big salons from all over India also come to Meri Bindiya International Academy for training in advanced beauty, makeup, hair and nail courses. In this academy, only 12 to 15 students are trained in a batch. Hence, students book their seats here 3 to 4 months in advance. This academy provides world-class education to the students. This academy also provides internships/jobs to all the graduates. And big beauty brands of the country give a lot of preference in jobs to the certified students of Meri Bindiya International Academy. Second, we have Dermalin Aesthetics Permanent Makeup Training Academy. This academy comes at the top second position for Permanent Makeup Academy. This academy is located in Delhi. All professional trainers give training here. It takes 1 day to complete this course. The fee for this course is Rs 30,000. After doing this course, students are not given internships, nor are placements/jobs provided. Students have to apply for jobs themselves. Third, we have Renuka Krishna Academy. This academy is located in Delhi. This academy comes in the top third position for the Permanent Makeup Academy. There are well-skilled trainers here who clear the doubts of the students. The duration of this course is also 1 day. Also, doing this course will cost you Rs 30,000. Internship is not done after doing the course from here, nor the placements/jobs provided to the students. After the course, students have to search for jobs on their own. Now back to the points. And fourth, we have gain knowledge online along with proper training. You will get knowledge and certification from the course, but you can get more information about this course through many mediums online, due to which whatever doubts you have in your mind will gradually get cleared. Fifth, gain hand-on-hand experience. After getting the certificate, do some internships to get hand-on-hand experience, because hand-on training is essential to become proficient in HydraFacial treatments. Practice on clients under the supervision of experienced trainers or providers. The more experience you have, the better your career will be. Sixth, licensing requirements. Check your state's requirements for aestheticians or skincare specialist. Most states require passing a written and practical exam to obtain a license. Obtain the necessary licensure to practice legally. Start your career by working as a licensed aesthetician in a spa, salon, or skincare clinic. Gain hands-on experience with a variety of skincare treatments and build your client base. Seventh, practice as much as you can. If you want to make a name for yourself in this field, you will have to be clean with your hands. The more perfect you are, the more your demand in the market will increase. You should practice HydraFacial treatment on the live model daily, which will bring cleanliness in your hands, and you won't be nervous about performing a HydraFacial treatment on a client. Becoming a HydraFacial skin treatment expert requires a blend of education, training, practical experience, and a commitment to staying at the forefront of skincare technology and techniques. As a HydraFacial expert, you have the opportunity to help clients achieve radiant, rejuvenated skin, making a positive impact on their self-esteem and confidence. This journey not only leads to a fulfilling career but also enables you to contribute to the ever-evolving world of skincare and beauty. So friends, if you want to do a professional makeup and beauty course, then visit any of the above academies mentioned and get your course registered. For more information, visit our website or call the number given on the screen. Also, if you want information about any beauty academy or beauty course, then comment us, and if you liked the video, then like, share this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.